Japanese vocabulary. School, school. 学校、学校、学校。Classroom, 教室、教室、教室。Desk, 机、机、机。Chair, 椅子、椅子、椅子。Teacher, 先生、先生、先生。Student, 生徒、生徒、生徒。Blackboard, 黒板、黒板、黒板。To study, 勉強する、勉強する、勉強する。To read, 読む、読む、読む。To write, 書く、書く、書く。Homework, 宿題、宿題、宿題。Okay, let's do a quiz. Number 1. Which one is 教室? This one. Number 2. Which one is 先生? This one. Number 3. Which one is 机? This one. Number 4. Which one is 生徒? This one. Number 5. Which one is 宿題? This one. Great! Let's move on to next one. Pencil. 鉛筆、鉛筆、鉛筆。Eraser. 消しゴム、消しゴム、消しゴム。Scissors. ハサミ、ハサミ、ハサミ。Ruler. 定規、定規、定規。Highlighter. 蛍光ペン、蛍光ペン、蛍光ペン。Note. ノート、ノート、ノート。Clip. クリップ、クリップ、クリップ。Stapler. ホッチキス、ホッチキス、ホッチキス。Textbook. 教科書、教科書、教科書。Exam. 試験、試験、試験。Book. 本、本、本。Great! Let's do a quiz. Number 1. Which one is 消しゴム? This one. Number 2. Which one is ハサミ? This one. Number 3. Which one is Keiko pen? This one. Number 4. Which one is Hochikisu? This one. Number 5. Which one is Enpitsu? This one. Great! Okay, let's move on to the next one. School uniform. 制服制服制服 Casual clothes 私服私服私服 Subject 科目科目科目 Math 数学数学数学 Science 科学科学科学 Elementary school 小学校小学校小学校 Junior high school 中学校中学校中学校 High school 高校高校高校 University 大学大学大学 Okay, let's do a quiz. Number 1. Which one is 制服? This one. Number 2. Which one is 私服? This one. Number 3. Which one is 数学? This one. Number 4. Which one is 科学? This one. Number 5. Which one is 科目? This one. Great! Today, we've learned 33 vocabularies about school in Japanese. Amazing progress! Hope you find them useful. You can see more of Japanese vocabulary video on our Japanese Smiles channel. Thank you for watching. ご視聴ありがとうございます。If you'd like our video, please subscribe and smash the bell. See you next video. またねー。